Tim Westwood TV, what's really fucking good? It's your boy. I'm in the building, it's Tim Westwood. Drop a bomb, drop multiple bombs. Because I've got the fucking Grime Boys down in the building. Talk to them. Young Crumpet in the building. We're out here. The Grime Boys. Biscuits. And I've got something for you. Drop a bomb. Drop a bomb. I've got something for you. I've got an exclusive.
More things.
Westwood TV exclusive. We've got the Grime Boys.
Feeling blurry.
Of the motherfucking new Drake, More Life, unreleased track.
Hope you grab the man.
Oh yeah, I don't even know if they're ready. Are they ready for this? Young Crumpet, East End Ting.
I rank it.
Oh yeah, are they ready?
It, mate.
Drop the fucking bomb. Let's
TV.
go. Drop the track.
Grime Boys. Yo. For the sick. I eat biscuits. Big Ben. Brexit. There's the Queen.
Yo, what the fuck is this? Yo, stop. Yo, turn this fucking mic off. Yo, stop trying to make grime a fucking thing. Yo, what's really fucking good is just send it from East Stream, man. Yo, we invented hip hop. Stop this bullshit, okay? Y'all niggas is trying to make grime a thing. Stop it. Oh my God. Y'all gonna make me emotional. Tim, stop. Drop the bomb. You said this in the building. Drop the fucking bomb. Bodega Boys episode fucking, I don't even know. It's fucking lit. Drop the fucking drop.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Drop the drop.
For reference, it's episode 60.
Yeah.
Bodega Boys in the building.
Oh, man.
Live from Red Bull Studios.
That's right. You know, we're like, what are we, 80 episodes deep on the TV show, and we're 60 here. I get confused.
You lose track,
we
man.
ain't doing it.
It's our two kids right here. You know what I'm saying? You hear the crystal clear clarity. You
already know.
Broadcasting
You know where
live.
we at.
Shout out to Red Bull.
You already know.
Get that purple Red Bull in stores.
See?
Streets is buzzing about it.
I see niggas in the mentions talking about, yo, this shit do taste like grape soda.
I'm saying,
I told y'all.
You know what I'm saying?
It's delicious.
That's the plug.
You know what I'm saying?
As always, it's your boy, Desus Nice,
That's
a.k.a.
right.
Desus Vice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Rock Stay Fat Like Cheerio, a.k.a.
That's
Chris
right.
Apple Sling Dick,
He's
a.k.a. Eli
slinging it.
Whitby, a.k.a. Butcher Girl,
That's
Sober
right.
That Might Know You,
He
bitch, Young
might.
Day Party, Young Hot
Yes.
Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando Durando,
yeah.
Mil Numbers 94, Mikhail Jovanoff, the Juve Boss, MC Look Beautiful,
yeah.
putting up for 40 with your shorty.
My
Don't
God.
talk to me in the overpool.
I don't know you nigga.
The original My Plus One got a plus one, so don't make a fuss on. Listen. Don't make a scene out here. I seen Rihanna go in. It's
You know
1-0.
what I'm saying? I told you the brand is
You know
strong.
what I'm saying? Kyle Quinn told me to come in, baby.
I'm saying, don't make me slander you on the show,
I got
dog.
the bottle waiting, man. DJ Rossi and the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa, Young Chocolate, the Corner, Chili Lamone, the left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Okay, I can't wait for spring training. You know, I have 4 fake passports that I have to sell to my other teammates. Vice K. Makuzako, 2 Phone Jones, Jesus A. Machina, Jay Chuckles, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bonner's label, Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot Blurry. DJ Will you're listening to Wash That Fam. Up next, we have a nonchalant mega mix. Yeah. The Curry Goat, Jesus Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx Celine Dion, Ray Nephew, the Moreno You Can't Contain, or the Human Meme, word to John. The Black Asiatic Addict who crack your back like automatic, craftmatic, Mr. La Marina, Mr. Marino with a fresh misdemeanor, cold demeanor, aka your problematic babe. Mwah,
bitch. Yes. 60.
Mero's coming in now like this mad cheerleaders and shit. Gonna run through the paper.
Yo, they're like, yo, his penis came out. I'm at the combine at 440 at the combine. You know what it is? It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Direct Flop, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Loader, a.k.a. I know fucking baby. I fucking man. Look at my dad.
Everyone
you know
be
what I'm
claro.
saying? Be claro. My front is from Santo Domingo. Check the guest list again, my nigga. My name is definitely on there. It might be the government. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to say that out loud. And no, I'm not fucking stepping to the side while you check. You know why? Because I'm the fucking dad of the year. Happy birthday to Mero Jr., the 6th God. You know what I'm saying? Big Smack Biombo, Feel the Ass Tyson, the Dominican Dada. Ben Boston, my hands are gifted. They will take your brainstem and replace it with a Toyota transmission, increasing your mileage dramatically. I'll open your fucking cabinet, so watch your fucking benzos. Cause I'm the Zen man. Rico Sabroso, Tom Brazy. You know what I'm saying? Your girl got my balls type deflated. Baby Newport, you know what I'm saying? Blem de la blem. You know what I'm saying? Swipe my cardigan, there's definitely money on it. Put the paper bag over it, or the plastic, do something. You know what I'm saying? Cause it's Neo Brown, the East Street, my Stevie B. The plantain supernova in the sky. You know what I'm saying? MSG record. You know what I'm saying? You know who it is? Barmelo's Anthony. For 3. You know what I'm saying? If you know who it is, if you see me in Target, bro, Respect my agency,
Respect
bro.
it, man.
Approach me like an erratic ursine mammal that you call going through your garbage. You know what I'm saying? Tú sabes qué lo que. You know what I'm saying? ¿Qué lo que? El hijo de Tito y FIFA bajando caro. You know what I'm saying? Dando en la calle de Zacatao. Más frío que sigo el que me grito, mamahuevo. Pasado de loco, no te cruces. Mamahuevo que te plato. Episode 60, nigga, goddamn!
Woo! Damn.
I just burst a blood vessel, dog!
That's the whole episode, my guys. So we'll see you next week.
Woo!
Woo!
Fucking Mike is covered in spit.
Let's go. Been a long week. We did a lot of things. Shout out to the Wendy Williams show.
That's
Who's
right.
on there.
Yo.
My man, Mero Reckless, came with the FCC mad violation. Violated. Came through with the drop the S.
Yo.
All the women in the audience was like, yo. They was like, oh.
These guys
I
are
was like,
spicy.
how you doing?
Wendy Williams is that tall.
She is. She is tall.
She is
She's
that tall.
And she's also in heels.
You know what
So
I'm
they're
saying?
like, yo.
So it's like, let's
That's
get this
why
Whip It Up tournament popping.
When she said that, I was like, oh, she might come over here and smack the shit out of Mero. Like, I can't say that. And I'd be like, yo, corrections and punishment, Wendy.
Yo, come on.
Wendy's the big homie.
Yo, that was a strong look.
That was an excellent look.
A strong daytime look for your boys. You
We
know
have
what I'm saying?
to get. There's a whole swath, the audience of people who don't know about us. It's like stay-at-home moms. They're missing out. Like, listen, you can watch Jesus and Mero while you fold the clothes and take the kids to yoga or baby. Take the kids to the bounce around.
You know what I'm saying?
In Ridge Hill. You know what I'm saying?
Go do that.
Go do that.
That shit is pretty lit.
That is lit.
Rock and
Listen,
climb.
I know.
You know what I'm saying?
I don't have kids, but on the weekend I like to go to places where kids are and then watch them.
Oh, that's not weird at all. Yo, you know what the fucking crazy shit about that rock and climb places though? Is that there's mad people that go there as adults and just go there to jump on trampolines and shit. So you got kids and then you also got niggas that are like 22 and want to do a Ninja Warrior training course.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So
My
shout out.
homegirl just went through a breakup and she's living her best life.
Okay.
So she went there
She
recently.
went there and was doing backflips and shit. Like, I don't need him.
She's like, I'm gonna make the most of Groupon. I don't need this nigga. I'm going skydiving tomorrow.
She's
I'm
doing
like,
every
you
Groupon.
you doing a lot. And now that Instagram lets you put multiple photos up, it's like,
Okay, man.
Instagram was better. It was just one photo because then it was like, yo, find one photo that captures the essence of this moment.
Not a land motherfucker.
Now it's like, yo, hit 5. It's like, listen, I'm a fan, but I'm not I'm swiping 5 times fan.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
It's wild because I did it the other day just to flex because we niggas was on Wendy, so you have to. That's a flex moment. So I did the 3 photos and I was like, this is kind of boring.
Yeah.
And I was like, it's not.
Instagram
You're right. Like it needs to be one
Instagram
photo.
doing too
like,
much.
Yeah.
Doing
Stop
too
with
much.
that with the stuff.
You got the stories. You got the swipe. Come on, man. You
Yo,
got the
cruise.
algorithms all fucked up.
Yeah, cruise for 6 months. Just don't do nothing for 6 months. Stop doing shit.
Instagram will have you fucked up because like you'll see like some chick is in your city. You'll open Instagram, you'll be like, yo, oh shit, you're in town. And you look at this like the pictures from like 16 hours ago. You're like, what the fuck?
Yo, ma.
Why is this the first picture of my Instagram?
So I need to put the pictures up while she's on the plane going back home and shit. Like,
It's disgusting.
yeah.
It's a Babylon ting.
Babylon ting.
Must go back to the natural order.
You know what I'm
where
saying?
men were men, women were women.
Everybody
And
had a top 8.
As it says in the Bible by I and I. Yo.
Oh my god.
Oh, man.
Top 8 was like, yo, if you push one of your top 8, like you're smashing. Like,
You put her in the top 8, you gonna get your 8 topped. Damn, if I was a rapper in the 2000s, man, I would be cooking
damn.
niggas.
Yo,
It'd
yo,
be
yo,
me
that man was-
battling, me battling Cassidy and shit.
yo, put a beat on. Yo, damn, that was a young MA level clever turn of phrase, sir. All right.
I guess that's
Let's
a
get this
compliment,
poppin',
right? I'm sick of hip hop.
You think-
I
you said I'm sick of hip-hop?
was really hoping at this point in my life, like I would just have like transition to smooth jazz and shit. Just go home and listen to like fucking Herbie Hancock and shit.
The best of John Tesh. Piano
Live from Red
ballads.
Rock. Just mad
Jazz
electric.
Fest?
Yeah.
Yo, shout out to Jazz Fest. Let's go to Jazz Fest. Fuck it. Let's be washed to go to Jazz Fest and just like, I don't know, do something
There'll be a
unwashed
lot
like
of
these
fucking
shrooms.
at Jazz Fest.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's older people. Listen, when you get older, you're comfortable with your body,
Yeah,
you're comfortable
bruh.
with you know.
You into
You're
your sexual renaissance.
You might go out of town, get a little, lady might get a little out of town dick.
You know what I mean?
Guy might get a little out of town choke. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean?
It is
Shit,
what- listen,
hey.
we all bought our leather sandals for a reason.
Yo. Jazz Fest is actually fuck fest.
Most festivals on the low is like,
It's like, yo, let's go ahead and let's get. Yeah.
listen, it's sex posse.
Yeah, yeah.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, nah.
Also, those don't count on your body count. So.
It's true, yeah, because you're just out there living and
You just
experiencing
living.
things.
You know what I'm saying? If you meet someone on Bourbon Street,
Come on, that don't.
count on
That's
your body
just like-
count. You don't gotta tell your future husband that.
Nah, no way.
You gotta tell your current husband
You
that.
ain't tell
That's not
nobody.
his business. He
Yeah,
didn't go.
nah.
Mind your business.
Yo,
Here,
first of all-
enjoy this Saints jersey I bought you. He's like, this seems worn. He's
Oh, why does it smell like cool water?
like, nasty.
Yo. Oh man. Yeah, no, that's wild. I mean, like, yo, if you're just out there wilding, like, smashing is just like another part of wilding. Like, you're out there drinking, smoking weed, doing drugs and shit, and then smashing. It's like it's like a package. You know what I'm saying?
I don't know if I want to co-sign that. That's not a... Yeah, that's
It's bad irresponsible.
It's extremely irresponsible.
It's bad irresponsible.
It's
Be
probably
responsible.
happening right now in the Bronx in a hooky party,
Hey, but hey,
you know, just live your best
I only
life.
speak about what I know.
Listen, just don't put people at risk.
Yeah.
There you go.
Word. I seen a Pinot the other day, and there was like a condom in the Pinot, and I was like,
Boo.
why you went condom?
Boo. You
Yeah.
gotta get in the comments like, unacceptable. What is this? Boy. You know, some people, you know, they need that. Some want that visual, some want the safety.
I mean, listen.
Some people, some
Isn't it
companies
in LA you have to shoot? You have Pinot experience. Isn't it LA, Los
My
Angeles? you
Pinot
have to-
experience is so long ago now. Like,
It doesn't even matter. It doesn't even count.
matter. Like, that was like a whole.
Pinot industry move fast.
It moves fast. They're early adopters for technology and stuff. So like when other places weren't like adopting dynamic scripting like PHP, the
Tube sites were like, let's get it.
that's before the tube site, but like most
Pre-tube
Pinot
site.
sites were like first adopters on that shit. It was like yeah.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
That's why
you
they
what it
do
is?
virtual reality and
Because
shit.
you could go there and be like, yo, I want to try this new technology. Where like you go to like a library or a bank and they're like, whoa,
Whoa, what's gonna happen here?
Whoa,
What if
why?
Why new?
Why is this expensive?
Why this a new
Whoa,
thing?
We've been running the same operating system since 1983.
We're
Why are we
fine.
changing this?
We're fine with.
Now go update those punch cards.
Shut the punch cards. I was
No,
actually punching in my old job.
Shout out to Scantron. How does Scantron get a lock on the testing industry?
I would love to know. Yo,
There's got to be like some other company
Bruh.
that makes like the same and like for someone investigate how Scant. I bet you there's like mad corruption.
Bruh.
Niggas got murdered.
Yo, listen. I wish somebody would give me money so that we could fucking produce a expose documentary on education. Because yo, the way motherfuckers spend money is just so ridiculous. Like, and it really is. There's like mad little. There's oversight, but it's so easy to like skirt that it's like, bruh, y'all are over here. Like a school would be straight using old ass textbooks, but have smart boards that are not connected to anything that are just being used as like bulletin boards. So you got like a $10,000 piece of equipment that's not even being used,
Yeah.
and that's $10,000 from your budget. That's like, you know what I mean? That you could have just updated just textbooks with.
Scantron operates in 98% of the
Look at
U.S.
that.
school
Look at that.
districts.
They got it on Smash.
Wow.
It's a racket.
It's got to be a racket.
It's a racket.
Wow.
You can use computers.
Shout out to Minnesota though. They're from Minnesota. No, we're gonna get murdered now.
Yeah, well,
They've
by
been
Scantron. By Scantron goes.
Scantron got enough money to get us killed.
Scantron's like
Scantron.
Putin and shit. Like
Scantron, like, yo.
niggas gonna get smoked on Tremont.
Listen, and like, the head of Scantron, William E. Sanders, you're not low. He's like brushing his teeth, and he's like, fuck. He's like, phone is like rocking up. They're like, they're on us.
Nigga picks it up. He's like, activate the asset.
So walks in and like, it's over. It's over. Just pops himself in the mouth. Like,
The other shoe's about to drop. Nigga blows his
I
brains
told
out.
you we were flying too close to the sun. Because I told you 95% of the schools, not 98.
95 was enough.
He's like, I wanted them all. All of them. It
should have been 100,
They all
damn
want no Scantron. He's like, yeah, I'll take a note. There's no regular paper around. You got to write out the Scantron.
Yeah. Shout out to Scantrons. I
Scantron.
really use Scantrons at every level of my education.
There used to be a trick where if you took chapstick and rubbed it on the side, it wouldn't read properly, which would cause a problem, and the teacher would have to like do it manually, buy you a little extra time. I don't know how that would help you, but
Damn.
do all types of tricks. The best trick would have been wake up, little nigga, and study.
Yeah.
But
hey,
hey,
but
it's
hey,
cool.
you know what I'm saying?
You're
Whatever.
running around as Mero said, wild, and you out here drinking, smoking, and fucking.
There was fucking, your hooky party was lit.
Hooky party.
You know what I'm saying? You like that
Going to
reggaeton
school,
mix?
going to school, not to go to school, but to cut class to play gym.
That's true. A lot of niggas did that. Hey, listen, where you now?
Working in schools and shit like that. Living their school memories.
Yo. Shout out to y'all, yo. Shout out to y'all, everybody. I'm smacked.
How smacked are you?
I'm fucking smacked.
On a
Yo,
scale of 1 to 10,
on a
on
scale of
Weeding
1 to
Rainbow.
I'm like LeVar Burton, like,
Butterfly in the sky.
but I'm so fucking
Mero is
high.
twice as high.
Yo, did you know that LeVar Burton is getting blowback from LeVar Ball's comments on the internet?
Why? Because people think
LeVar Burton and LeVar, you know what I'm saying, LeVar Ball. But hey, that's mad foul. I can just imagine him looking through his mentions and people like, yo, fuck you, asshole. Like dropping all types of M-bombs on him and shit.
Did you see LeVar Ball and Stephen A. Smith?
I didn't see that.
It's pretty entertaining, but you can see that LeVar Ball is like he's
hamming it up.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? It's like it was fun at first. Now it's like, all right, I get it.
I get what you're doing.
I get what you're doing, man.
Cash outside. How about that? Yeah,
you know what I mean? Listen, everybody got to get their 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Thankfully, we stretch our 5 minutes to a little longer. A little longer. Every time the 5 minutes is like it's like a hotel room, and you only got it for a half hour. Shit, niggas just calling, you're like, yo, keep it going. Yo, keep it going. I got you when I come downstairs.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
Give me another half hour, though. Nah, we just getting right.
We just getting started. You know what I'm saying?
We just getting light in there. He's like, you can't smoke in there. I'm like, nah, we just getting light.
Yeah, come on.
He walks in, me and her is naked, and it's just like, get light. Get light.
Hey!
He joins in like, ah.
Nigga throws his hat there. Hey! Nigga jumps over his leg. Yo, fuck it. Yeah. Shout out to all the short stays. Damn, those are like an extinct
Hot
species.
seat motels.
Yeah.
As they call them in the Bronx.
Yeah.
Shout out to El Rancho, the nastiest.
Which is
El Rancho's on White Plains Road, in their Gun Hill Road.
In Gun Hill Road?
Yeah.
Yo, they're like an endangered species now. They used to be all over the place. I remember there was like 3 or 4
Because there
of them.
was a, like, people was like, I don't want them in my neighborhood.
Yo, that's wild.
Like, you know, because prostitution, sex workers, but you know what I'm saying?
True.
That's all the legislators and stuff was like, yo, we're getting rid of hot cheap hotels.
Yeah.
That's what they were afraid of when they built the new Yankee Stadium, because they was like going to put mad hotels around there. And everyone was like, yo, those are not going to be used by tourists. Like, and so they were like, yo, you have to make them long stays. And then people was like, nah, we're not staying. No, we're not coming to the New York.
$189
to stay to sleep in the Bronx. The problem with Yankee Stadium hotels is Yankee Stadium is also on the same street as Bookings,
you know what I'm saying?
and Family Court.
Hello.
So, like, if my family's just coming from Saratoga Springs, New York.
Imagine being that family and being like, hey, I'm just going to grab a McGriddle. And you go to that McDonald's right there.
Oh, the peanut McDonald's?
You know what I'm saying?
The only McDonald's, you gotta come up there extra spicy and pull out a weapon to get your food.
You know what I'm saying?
They're like, what you want? I'm like, yo, let me get a fucking McGriddle right there.
Yo, it was fucking good. Don't make me go over there.
Nigga, you don't look like you can handle McGriddle.
Fuck out of here. Let me get an extra hash brown. I'm not paying for this shit.
Like, yo.
Fuck out of here.
Niggas don't even give you a number and shit. They be like, who's the soft nigga that ordered the McGriddle? Yo, you with the wide face.
Yo.
Come get your McGriddle.
Yo, come here, stupid.
Yo, pussy. Here's your fries.
Yo, what you drinking? You fucking cornball.
I'm like, yo, why are you so aggressive?
Just spitting your shit.
That shit is such a weird. Shout out to 161st.
Yeah.
That's such a weird intersection.
Yeah.
Because you have like lawyers, you have people on jury duty out for lunch, you have people who are on trial.
Yep.
They're out for lunch. You have
People from fucking
vagrants
Connecticut coming
just out
to watch
there.
an Yankee game.
People, just there early, just want to take in the scenery and shit.
Listen,
the
don't
Bronx?
take in the scenery. Shut
Oh,
the
the
Bronx.
Bronx. How's Bergen treat? Not Bergen. How's
Bergen, yeah. Bergen
Are you in
County.
Bergen?
Yeah, Bergen.
Shout out to
County.
Bergen. How's Bergen life?
Shit's lit, yo. Fucking. I'm like, yo, I went outside. Yo, first of all, I never had a crib that was like the entire crib is my crib. Like, this is my house, everything, all floors is mine. So that's one thing. I'm like, yo, I could go. I got a room. I tweeted shit the other day. I was like, yo, I got a room that I can smoke. There's a weed room. Like, it's like a finished basement, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's basically an apartment. I go down there. There's a room, you know what I'm saying? She got carpet. I haven't even put anything in there yet except bud and ashtray, but I just sit down and I'm like, yo, this is a weed room, B. Like, I'm not sharing no space with my kids. Like, their shit is in their room, and then, like, the living room is mine. That's the number one thing. When you got mad kids, they take over your space. So you got mad kid shit in your living room, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah, I see that at my sister's
exactly.
house.
You know, you see how there's like the fucking kids like little fucking ride-along thing is like right in front of the TV. No more. You know what I'm saying? Got the TV. And the living room shit is mad spacious. It's just great. You know what I'm saying? I just be out there like, bro. I can't wait till the summertime, actually. You know what I'm saying? Because things at the yard and the barbecue, the deck and all that shit. You know what I mean? That's about to be lit.
Did you get your Jersey starter kit? Yeah, you getting a pinky ring?
Yo, I gotta flip it because I can't. Rings, I got my hands are too big. You know what I'm saying? Rings, I gotta get a chain.
You're gonna be guidoed up in 3 months.
I gotta get a chain though.
Do you have that? You're gonna get the chain.
You know what I'm saying?
Start wearing the wife.
You know what I mean?
The t-shirts. The wife beaters.
Giddy tees.
You get your giddy tee. We're gonna get limited edition Plantain Supernova giddy tees. The whole type's problematic. This is gonna have a picture of Mero like about to backhand somebody.
Yeah. Oh my god.
We're gonna make one.
Yeah.
Just
one and done.
One and done. We're gonna sell it for charity.
Yo, yeah, no, shit is lit, and it bugs me out because I'm like, yo, I hop in the whip and I'm over the bridge in like 20 minutes. So I'm like, yo, this is like, and it's like another world. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just go over the bridge and I'm like, boom.
Where do you go when you go over the bridge?
Chicharrones. Uptown. You know what I'm saying? Get Spanish food and shit. Like, Malcong and shit. Get some chicharrones, carne frita,
right.
pastelito.
I mean, that sounds fun.
Blood tube and piff.
Okay. All right. Well, Much continued success to you in your Jersey ways.
I myself fucking.
You already start switching up though. You eating more salads and shit. Listen, you didn't learn from Big Pun. When Bronx niggas start eating healthy, it doesn't end well.
Well, that's you know what it is? It's fake healthy. Cause that shit got like 6 pounds of chicken on it, and it got barbecue sauce and fucking bacon and shit.
Go easy, cause your body's not used to all this fresh air now and vegetables.
Listen, I housed an entire box of Entenmann's cookies. Your boy's still out here.
Your pancreas got a pele of Tim's out. Like, what the fuck is this?
Yo, nah, he's out here.
Yo.
Let me get some more sugar.
What's this? Yo, lower intestine. What's this thing? This nigga wildin'.
Yo. Nah, but you know what's wild? Dwight Howard used to eat 25 candy bars a day. 25 full-size candy bars. I can't even do that. I'll throw up if I eat 25 full-size candy bars.
So is that your
my goal?
No, is that your guiding light, Dwight Howard?
I'm like, yo, if he can do it,
you wake up and you're like WWDW.
I mean, I'm smashing roll all the time. You know what I'm saying? Dwight Howard flow. Eating a lot of candy, Dwight Howard flow. You know what I'm saying? Except if you punch me in my face, I might not go down. You know what I'm saying? Depends.
Oh,
he's wall fadeable.
Ooh.
Yeah, I'm talking spicy.
Ooh, you talking that Popeye spicy?
Talking spicy.
Oh no, baby. Why you going?
Oh no, baby.
No, baby. Don't say that, baby.
Oh no.
All right, well, shout to you.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout to you. I got that street. What is it? That Street Finder app or whatever. Street Easy. Shout out to Street Easy. Great app. Did you use that? Basically, what it does, like you walk into a neighborhood and then like you just open it and it just tells you like what's for sale and what's available around it.
Oh shit!
So like if you're in a car and shit, like you could just like
let me see what's around in the neighborhood.
Tell the price range and shit. You know,
all I know is that
like all that stuff. You know, looking
like
I won't settle for less though.
Listen, you gotta. First of all, you gotta go to Riverdale. You gotta go to Riverdale or you gotta go to Brooklyn.
Nah, you know what? Midtown would be fine. Not Midtown, but like in the city.
Manhattan's getting cheaper for the first time in years.
Talk, Suze Orman.
Yeah, that's right. For the first time in years, there's actually trending. The rents are trending down in Manhattan, so you can fuck around, and get something, little LES.
But at the same time, Manhattan's dangerous. You had that white supremacist came up here, stabbed the black guy with the sword,
and nobody called him a terrorist. Like
they not even put that shit on the news either. But low key, it's like stuff like that happens in New York. But I feel like the part of him taking a bus up here is like
that's what it is. If he was already here, if he's some maniac from Staten Island, I understand. Like it's just making the local news.
Or like if he just lived in a shelter with him or some shit, they'd be like, all right, whatever.
They're both out here. They're, you know what I'm saying? Like, they're in transitional housing, whatever. You know what I'm saying? This shit is rough. Shit can happen. But your man took a Bolt bus up here with the express purpose of killing black men.
Men, because he was mad about black men dating white women.
See?
He saw Get Out. He saw Get Out and was like, that's enough.
He saw Get Out and then he went on black.com when he got home. He's like, fuck
this.
Fuck this. Fuck this.
He bought nigga bought his elf dagger. The mad fucking Legend of Zelda sword.
They got the elf dagger.
Like how mad you gotta be to carry a fucking
dick.
broadside sword? And he looks.
Fight me without that sword, nigga. I dare you.
But see,
or fight me with the sword and I'll get a machete.
And he did that because he said New York City is the media capital of the world. What he also forgot is Rikers Island. Doesn't have that many white people on it.
No, it's very few.
It's very few. Few and far between.
Yo, so you about to get tossed up.
I hope even PC is not gonna be.
No, not for him.
He might be a PC with.
Bro, think about all these dudes sitting in there and watching the news, and then they see the shit. All the inmates, black, Latinos,
we're gonna get around and shit.
Oh,
even
man.
if he's like in the tombs and shit, might get stabbed up by Taxstone.
So you know what I'm saying? Think about that. That might give you a little bit of solace.
Be safe though.
Be safe though.
I mean, if you going up north for real, you gotta wild out.
Yeah.
You gotta wild. Take a couple of niggas and bookers.
That's it.
You know what I'm saying? Let niggas know.
You gotta splash somebody, do it.
You know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
Come in there banging your chest. Like we haven't talked about jail on here in a minute.
Yeah, no.
We were doing well. We were talking about like houses and buying cars and going to LA and shit. Now we back on our grind. We back on our fucking boot camp click, fucking Timberland boots. I got my ski goggles to the side of my head.
But yo,
you know what I'm saying?
Yo, you know who I seen?
Spark
Madism. Yo, you know what I seen on the train? I seen Drew Ha with a Yorkie on the train.
Word.
Yeah.
Shout out to Drew Ha.
Shout out to Drew Ha.
Oh, yes, Drew Ha. That's the homie.
Yeah.
I haven't seen him in a minute.
Shout out to Doug Down.
He was like one of the first people I met, and I was like, yo, this person's famous.
Yo, he's famous. Yeah, because he was mad recognizable because he was the only nigga in the videos that didn't have dreads.
Yeah. Shout out to Drew Ha.
Shout out to Drew Ha. Shout out to Doug Down. R.I.P. Sean P. You know what I'm saying? Mike Tyson. You know what I'm saying?
Perverted Minds, too.
Yeah, I mean,
know that.
All that.
What's going
legendary.
on? We're going up to ESPN today.
Oh shit, that's right. Yeah, we're doing the ESPN. It's funny because I said yesterday, I was like, "Yo, we gonna be all over ESPN tomorrow." And somebody's like, "What are you gonna be on?" But I didn't want to like tip the hand,
Right.
So I was like, didn't respond. But then somebody was like, "Are you doing the car wash?"
Yeah,
and I was like,
"That's what it's called."
I was like,
you
"Oh,
do like
yeah."
all the
I was
shows
like,
and shit.
You know about that?
Last time we did that was like Art Basel.
Yeah,
we did mad ESPN shows.
Yeah.
Barely remember it because we was God damn, we was gone.
Damn, bro.
All I remember is the night before they was like, "Yo, you don't have to do the ESPN thing. Like, y'all tired." I was like, "Cool, thanks. I just want to sleep in." I put my head to the pillow for 10 minutes and I heard.
Yeah.
Time to go. What's up? Y'all running late already? I was like, what?
Yeah, shut the damn Lemitard. You know what I'm saying?
We got dressed mad fast.
It's two guts.
And we went to the roof and smoked.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, motherfuckers had unlimited bud down there. Shit was wild.
Shit was lit. They got shout out to Vice and marketing, Megan, everybody was holding us down. Because listen, you want us at our best.
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
Make us cozy.
Make us cozy. Give us what we need. We don't have the wild dickhead riders.
That's what
yet.
I'm saying. Like we don't like
simple, man.
Some beer, some bud. You know what I'm saying, and we're good.
And make some food.
Yeah, just a little bit of food eventually along the way.
I don't want to name names. I'm gonna talk an aggregate data here.
Okay.
In the little bit of time we've had of success, which actually isn't that little bit of time, we've actually been rocking for a minute now. Dick fruit soda. But I've seen some very less talented people than us ask for a lot more in the green room.
A lot more.
You know what I mean?
And get it. You know what I'm saying? As long as they get in the curve.
Willfully get it, and then like leave 90% of it behind. So. You know what I mean?
Might get a little, you know what I'm saying? Prices going up.
You know what I mean?
Slowly but surely.
Wait till May and Mero was like, I need a platter of smoked herring.
Let me tell y'all something.
I'll be like, yo.
If I don't have my flourless, gluten-free cake on deck.
I'll be like, yo, I need a live goat. Live.
And an ice pick.
I need a live goat and some string and a bucket. They go like, what? Like right before on stage, just hear the go like, cut his throat like, yo.
It's so crazy.
Where's me goat?
The funny shit is that like that is mad traumatizing to people that have never experienced that. Like I watch that shit go down and like be smoking an L in the background, like, yo, when's the go gonna be done? You know what I'm saying? Like niggas just really be like, oh my god, what's going on? I remember I went to DR with like a bunch of family members, and one of my aunt's husband's sister, you know what I'm saying? This white lady. We go to DR and like, you know how it is out there, because it's the same as Jamaica. Mass stray dogs, you know what I'm saying? Like they're all just out there like eating garbage, eating tin cans and shit. My pops had had two dogs tied to a tree in his little compound shit, like guard dogs. Shorty came in and started feeding them all the food. Like they had food out for us. Like, and she went over there and started feeding the food. And my pops was like, yo, what the fuck are you doing, man? Like, why are you giving these dogs actual real food? She's like, yo, I can't believe this. She's like, can you let them go? I was like, if I let them dogs go, they will fucking bite the shit out of you. Are you crazy? She's like, no. She was like fucking in tears and shit. I was like, yo, ma, come on. I was like, this is yo, it's either this or they fucking might get hit by a fucking moped crossing a dirt road. You know what I'm saying? So
listen, life is short. They gotta find out the hard way.
You know what I mean?
The island life.
Island life is difficult.
It's not just a song by
you know what I'm saying?
Who's it? Island life is was that Grace Jones, I believe?
I think so. No, that's totally the wrong song.
Michael Franks?
The
Zolas.
Okay.
Janet Jackson and the Violet Femmes. Apparently, a lot of people have had songs called
Island Life.
Island Life.
I mean, it's pretty
Only
lit. It's
one
a pretty lit thing.
person has a album called More Life.
More Life.
More Life.
Drake. Him drop More Life. Yo, niggas, and he has 18 different accents.
He does. He's all over the place. He's Spanish. He's Ecuadorian.
Bruh.
He's Brazilian.
He had like 4 outfits on in the album. He had the steep tech suit. When
got
he
the
was
fake
like,
dreads. He got the cuts in the eyebrows.
He had the linen pants and the Ibiza.
But you know what? I'm mocking it now, but I will be dancing and two-stepping very drunk off the Henny this summer to get it together.
Come on.
Passion fruit.
Yeah. Bruh, I'm getting multiple BJs to passion fruit.
Drake has a formula, so
he be out here, man, and yo, listen, I don't know, and the shit is like 24 tracks, and I listen to the whole shit.
It's a lot.
You know what I'm saying?
It's a lot. You know, but that's the new reality. We don't have to worry about the size of albums anymore because we're not like limited by physical media anymore. It's not like I'm going to a store and buying a CD. Because if he releases on CD, it'd be like 2 CDs. It'd be like, whoa, you're wilding.
Yeah.
But now it's like online and shit. It doesn't matter.
You know what I'm saying?
It doesn't matter.
Doesn't even matter. It's ill. The album came out on Spotify. I go on the shit, and it's like the joints that are getting the most play are already downloaded. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, yo, nigga, you don't even gotta bother. Like, these are the most fire joints on the album. Listen to these first and then listen to the shit. I was like, yo, good looking algorithm.
Since I'm trying to be legal now and pay for my music, I bought all these albums on like iTunes, and so I thought they were just chilling on my MacBook. Lo and behold, they're actually on my phone, just taking up mad space. Bad. I had to remove it, but it's good to know.
Yeah.
I have it with me.
You got Apple Music?
No, not Apple Music. I told you that's a Babylon thing.
Babylon
you
thing?
must own your music.
Yeah, that's right.
Also, all you people out here, you're buying a Google Home and you're buying Alexa. It's a Babylon thing. It's snitching on you. The government is using it to listen to you. I've been told you that. What's wrong with y'all?
Which is the more snitch? Are they all equally
They're
snitching?
They're all equally snitching.
Okay.
Yes.
Because I to be honest, I don't trust that shit either.
I
don't
trust
think
that
that it works how they make the shit look wild seamless in the commercial. It's definitely not going like that.
Alexa, order me pants from Dress Barn. Like, no, what?
Yes, dancing lessons 2 miles away on your left. Would you like me to book a dancing lesson?
It's like, how lazy are you that you're like, Alexa, what's the weather for today? Open the window.
Open the window, nigga.
Remember?
Listen. Or you could just press a button on your phone. Also.
The weather app. Or, I don't know, you could be watched to like turn on the local news. It comes on like every 5 minutes.
Yeah, weather on the ones, my guy.
No, Alexa will tell you.
Yeah, come on.
And then is Alexa telling you the weather for your house or where you work? There's two different weathers.
True.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, and it's ill because I feel like this shit. Did you see Wall-E, the Disney movie?
Yes.
Remember how everybody was like mad slovenly and like in those fucking like floating chairs? I was like, yo, that's our future. That's
what it is.
Y'all keep banging with Alexa and they instead of
That's the
opening
thing.
books and reading and shit.
That's what we were talking about the other day about everything. They're making things too easy for people.
You know what I'm saying?
People just, getting slovenly in Trump's America.
Yeah.
Trump's
he loves
America.
it. He loves it. You see him in the truck yesterday?
Yeah. Wah, 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 wah. Look at me, I'm driving.
Look,
I'm trying.
and he really did a fucking like little little
like,
dance. Oh my god, yo, that dude is so slappable. His face be like it's so crazy. I watch the shit. I'm like, yo, I feel disrespected because I'm like, yo, I'm supposed to be like, yo,
The
United
president's
States,
supposed
I
to be
live
like,
here.
yeah.
Bro.
The president's supposed to be like, you feel honor, like you feel like even if you don't bang with him, you just like got that level of like a level of respect, like yo,
yeah,
you know what, you are in the highest office of the land.
Do your thing.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
If we disagree on things, that's cool. But like, yo, you have an air of seriousness and like dedication to this job that you have.
Or even to the point where if we're mocking you, like you're the president, we look bad.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Like
exactly.
when people was like trying like lynch Obama and shit, they looked crazy.
It's crazy.
It's crazy to
ableist term.
sorry. They looked wild. Even when people was like, yo, George Bush is a monkey, George Bush was still doing presidential things.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Even though he was starting a legal war,
Yo.
at least he was going through the right channels.
That's
to do
what I'm
it.
saying. Like
This guy,
Sticking throughout the rule book.
he's like,
Yo,
this nigga got
it's
like
disgusting.
potato chips on the Constitution.
Oh my god.
This nigga got like mad. There's like coffee stains on the Oval Office rug and shit.
You know what it is? Like, because we've grew up in New York and we've had a lot of jobs. He's a textbook, like, older, racist, white guy, like, that you would encounter, like, if you worked in, like, a fucking, any type of corporate environment. Like, he's, like, the VP of some shit, and he's just wild, like, talking about girls' tits, and you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like,
And they're like, you can't do that. He's like, I do what I want.
he don't care, because he's, like, fucking 70. He's like, wow, this is what Mad Men used to be like, man, like, fuck out of here. Oh, it was just fucking disgusting.
Yeah, and now like all the Russian dirt is coming up.
Yeah.
Niggas is getting nervous.
Yeah.
They might have him peeing on, getting
You know what I'm
getting a
saying?
wild golden shower
Yo,
stuff.
listen.
Listen, a lot is gonna happen very quickly, and I wonder my whole faith in the whole checks and balance system is gone. Fuck that.
Oh, fuck. God.
They need to stop teaching that shit at school because that shit clearly does not work. Like maybe the founding fathers should release their slaves and work on this.
You know what I'm saying? Niggas are bugging. Yo, yeah, you gotta get out of here. Damn, the whole cabinet. You look at the whole cabinet and they just look like supervillains. Just mad sad. Except for Ben Carson.
Yeah, he's not out that much though.
Yeah, he's not.
I think he might have, because he's the director of HUD, he might have actually moved into a project.
My son lives in Millbrook.
What's good, niggas?
Yo, what's good? What's shaking? I got that work on the block. Niggas are wild buns.
He had these complaining that he break it into the mailbox and shit.
Ben, they put doodle on the elevator buttons again. But like, God damn, I'm gonna catch these motherfuckers.
Oh shit.
God, man.
Ben, I think someone's peeing in the elevator. The elevator is not for peeing. Shout out to Kendrick Lamar.
Yo, Kendrick Lamar.
Kendrick Lamar. I have not. We like to ruffle the feathers of young K-Dot on here, but his new track, The Heart Part 4.
Yo, can we just listen to the part where the beat drops and he really goes in?
I mean, probably get us a fine or taken out for SoundCloud. I mean, no. But it's a.
But nah. He went in. I'm not going to front because I don't pay for music. You know what I'm saying? I listen to the snippet on iTunes. And
broke boy. What you gonna do? You make too much money to do that.
I know. I make too much money to ever say poor me. You know what I'm saying?
Listen, do you think he's talking about Big Sean or Drake?
I think Big Sean. Because I feel like, didn't Big Sean go at him like very explicitly on a joint or some shit?
How? Wait.
There's a song. And it's I seen it on Twitter, like the two things were next to each other. Like it was like the Big Sean verse where people were like, yo, he dissed Kendrick, and then followed by the verse on Heart, whatever the shit is called, right?
The Heart Part 4.
The Heart Part 4. Yo, but he went in, dog. He went in. He didn't do the sassy robot voice, which I was very happy about. I was like, yo, if he comes out and he does the corny Android voice, I'm gonna be tight. But if he does and he's rapping and he's spitting bars, I'm with it. And he did.
All right, well.
And he threw a hard beat, too. It wasn't like some weird...
Yeah, the beat is tough. The beat is tough. Like your mama's face.
You know what I'm saying?
Well, I mean, it's good for hip-hop. You know what I mean? I don't really like to listen to new rappers.
What's the newest rapper you're listening to right now?
The newest rapper I'm listening to is Mac the Maniac.
Mac the Maniac?
Like a vintage Smiles and South Stars.
Oh, boy.
Who's the most watched? Let me see. What's a good? All City Crew.
All City Crew, wow.
Check it out. All City Crew.
Yo, shout out to Crew. Just Crew. Crew? Just another case about
the Crew. Ricky. CRU. Yes. Come on, man. Get the names right.
We gotta I had that shit on cassette.
Oh, yeah, I did too. It was like 30 tracks. That was a lot at the time.
It was a lot.
No, this is going to be a good summer. You got new Big Sean. I guess Big Sean and Drake gonna be going. Big Sean and Kendrick, or Drake and Kendrick, whoever.
What's up? They're out here.
He said April 7th. Now we gotta wait. I hate waiting.
I got no patience.
Things don't leak anymore.
I feel like they don't. Yeah, no, they don't. Yo, that's true. I was waiting for the More Like leak, and I didn't see it. I was waiting for the Kendrick shit just dropped like Beyonce. Like, here, boom. Yeah. Like, hold that. Nobody leaked it.
The game has changed.
You know what I'm saying? Wow.
There was a story online about how when Taylor Swift, to keep her stuff from leaking, if she wants someone to hear a new track, someone flies with the track on an iPad, and it's inside a luggage. And like they'll fly to wherever, and then they'll take it out and they'll play it.
They'll play it and then put it back in the luggage.
Put it back, take it back. Listen,
that's something they're doing a lot.
Nah, you can't have shit leaking. That's a bread and butter.
That's true.
That's a bread. What if like this podcast got leaked before? Actually, wouldn't matter.
Yeah, it wouldn't matter.
That actually would save me a lot of time. We'd have to upload the
shit. That's the shit. And also, like, I mean.
But no, when we cash out and we whore out this podcast,
you know what I'm saying?
There's like the fucking 2 minutes of pre-roll before you can even enjoy the shit. And we're gonna do it mad annoying. It's gonna be like, you're gonna hear. It's gonna be like, you're listening to the Bodega Boys live on podcast.tv.
Wing ding and ling bing.
But first, here's a message from our sponsor. Just 2 minutes of just non-related advertising, got nothing to do with you.
Do you need a mortgage loan and fast? Call fastmortgage.com. We'll get your mortgage to you fast, even if you're a broke boy. The Bodega Boys fuck with Fast Mortgage. Well,
and then they just have you reading the wild prepared statement.
Broke Boys. Mortgage Fast does not work in California, Long Island, and Oregon.
You gotta say fast. You gotta say mad fast.
FDIC approved 4949749.
Faster.
Check out our website www.morefastmortgage for doing. And the person's like, all right. Person's like, okay, all right. It's time for the podcast. And this is like, hey. Do you have 5 minutes to save on auto insurance? Come to the General. Shackalicious.
Yo.
What if Shaq?
Shut the Shaq.
What if Shaq?
How many things is Shaq endorsing? Is that Googleable?
Interesting enough, Shaq was one of the original purchasers of Google shares.
Really?
Yeah.
Shut the Shaq early adopter.
So he got in there early. Those shits is worth. Like Shaq's last week, he got the beverages. He got all types of stuff. He diversified his bonds.
Yeah. He got chain situations.
He's good. He's got money. Yeah. He was joking about the flat Earth, by the way.
Oh, good.
Yeah. We kind of knew it, but it sounds good on TV, so fuck it. Because facts don't matter. Facts never mattered.
No. Yo, but
I feel like maybe what if Donald Trump listens to this? Think about it. Facts don't matter. All that shit. A lot of stuff. You know, I forgot what other stuff. Yeah. To Ben Carson.
Yeah.
We kept Ben Carson relevant.
Along to, you know what I'm saying? And we both so smack, we said relevant instead of relevant. So
how we both like, no, we never leave in New York and shit. And he's like, yo, I'm president, but I'm staying in New York.
I'm staying in New York.
What city we always shout out? Chilbo, Kilbo, DC.
What's good?
I got a new phone today.
What's good? Oh, these niggas are at, they're at Basel? Oh, I'm copying Mar-a-Lago.
Okay. Everywhere we go, see? Do the third eye. Do the third. Mero just got a new truck.
Out of here.
Trump is driving a truck.
I don't know about y'all. Yo, Land Rover, though, I do need a new truck if y'all want to hook it up.
You want a Land Rover?
I like Land Rovers, even though they're impossible to
service, drive, upkeep.
Yeah, exactly.
Damn, you Hollywood for real, nigga.
I'm blamed for
new
real.
House, new trucks and shit.
How I feel.
You.
I want a Lamborghini, my nigga. That's really, I'm being completely honest with you. And yo, I have no shame in this. I will say it. I will say it to the world. I am a pure hood rat. My dream is to get a Lamborghini
and drive up and down Fordham Road all summer.
Yes, it is. I'll say with no shame, yo, we got to do it. So, yo, if you can make that happen, you know what I'm saying? If your brand is equal, it can even compare to the levels of strength that we have over here.
What would that accomplish?
It would accomplish absolutely nothing except checking something off of my like arbitrary bucket list.
We should take the money off from that Lamborghini and do something for like the little niggas in the Bronx.
I mean,
that'd be a lot more.
I mean, that's cool.
We're gonna do a block party. Yes.
We can do a block party.
Let me do a block party.
Where at?
I'm not telling you.
Soundview?
You're no longer a Bronx resident. You can't come. I'm checking IDs.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have the mad city. I will give out. There's one ticket for a Coco Helado, one ticket for one bounce in the bouncy house.
Yo.
Bouncy house is just pissy mattresses from the garbage before. They're like, sir, I think there's like a spring exposed to this mattress. I think I got tetanus. I was like, do you have a tetanus ticket?
Yo.
No. All right. Then get the hell out of here.
I went to a carnival not too long ago that was on right off Tremont, and the shit, everything was straight metal.
Yes.
Like, it was like a fun house, and it was like shit that was like shutting closed mad fast, but it was all like metal. Boom. And then there's a fucking thing that you step on and it makes a noise.
Yeah.
And you would think you step on it and it goes like whoop whoop whoop, or something goes like bang, like a wild fire alarm. Be like, yo.
And it had like the air jets.
Yes,
like the scary like.
I'm like, yo, chill, like. This shit is, like, my kids are terrified.
Yes.
And these niggas have heard gunshots at night. I'm like, yo.
Have you ever been to the Westchester County Fair?
Shit is, oh my God.
Oh my God. Those rides are not fun.
No,
they're not fun. We live in a modern world. Why are we doing like, just because you spray paint the Little Mermaid on the top of a ride doesn't make the ride the Little Mermaid experience.
It doesn't at all. This is just teacups.
And I know when a grown man is grabbing me while I'm sitting in the car, like, come on, don't catch these hands. Just because there's lights blinking, I can't put two and two together. You get two piece.
Yo, shout out to all the bootleg theme parks. Shout out to Playland. Oh. You know what I'm saying? The Dragon Coaster.
The wooden roller coaster.
If you want
to be terrified,
yes,
go on a wooden roller coaster. Yep. First of all, when you sit down, you're probably gonna get splinters.
Yep.
You know it's a bad part because they still do tickets per ride, so that's like it's not a la carte like Great Adventures where you can Six Flags Great Adventures in Jersey where you go, you drive mad long to get there, and then it's how long is it to get there? It's not that long, right?
From the Bronx, like an hour.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
You get there and you can go on 3 rides. Unless you buy the fast pass, and I think they got like an even the fast pass got a line now.
Yeah.
So it's just like,
or you could be a wild scumbag and just go
do
to
the wheelchair thing.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yo, listen, I'm gonna keep it 1,000. I was doing the wheelchair flow in Disneyland.
It's a game changer.
It's a game changer, bro. Game changer.
When you go to Orlando, if you go on their Craigslist, there's people who are just they're like, yo, you rent me for the day.
I'll rock with you.
I'll get you in.
That's a scheme.
That's a scheme, dog. Listen,
I like y'all. See,
niggas is out here. Listen, niggas is gonna get it any way they can, dog.
Get it how you live, Playboy.
Listen. That's all you can do. There's like people I know some people that tell planes and shit that they're in a wheelchair so they can get on and off first. I mean,
yo, fuck it.
Listen, ethics is ethics until you don't have them, and then it just because if you have no ethics and you have ethics, I'm just looking at you like this dumb nigga. That's how the cavemen got killed.
Yeah,
the first unethical caveman.
Yeah,
think about it. Think about Judas, how he kept looking at his phone, mad nervous at the last dinner and shit. Jesus is talking and shit. He's like,
Hey, Judas,
like-
Judas, what's up? Well, you getting a lot of texts over there, man. Your phone's blowing up. What's up?
Nah. I sent a tweet earlier. My notifications.
Yeah, you know what I mean? I don't no disrespect, you know what I mean? But it's a little rude, you know what I'm saying? We having this Last Supper and everything, you know, so.
Yeah. Nah.
You know.
You know, I'm bag with you. Yeah. Yo, I'll say I was to meet with Shorty, so I'm gonna, I'm gonna get my plate to go.
Yeah, I mean, that's cool. I guess. Why would you leave though? Like, we all chilling.
Nah,
Like, you know what I'm
I'll
saying?
catch
Like,
up with you later. I'm a yo,
All right.
JC,
All right.
who's your man, Pots and Pass?
Judas.
I'm gonna see you. I'm gonna see you. See you. I'll show you out, nigga.
Yo, do your thing, but I gotta see you later, yo.
We have to make the wild, dramatic Broadway play that interpolates Alpo and Judas, and they talk to each other. Whoa. I'm sitting down.
You're speeding.
I'm sitting down right now. I just did a lot.
Don't let Lemon Boy hear that.
Wow.
Yo, cut the check.
I just got wounded. I just used too much of my brain at once.
You know what I'm saying? Cut the check. He accessed that part that you're not supposed. We're on Limitless right now.
Like like Freaky Friday, and like Judas comes back in a sheepskin.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Listen, yo, pull up with the checks. Y'all know the emails.
Judas is like,
ICM Christina Bears Dinkins. Let's get it. Yo.
Let's get shot every day, Jesus. You
You know
be
what I'm
alright.
Nah, you played me though, son. It's nothing feel the same. The air don't taste the same. Shit don't taste the same. I can't even turn water to wine no more, my nigga. The game ain't for me no more, man. I'm out of this shit, man.
Oh,
Niggas
shit.
done crucified me. Know what I mean? Had me up there 3 days.
Alpo at the crucifixion, like, it was Peter, Paul, Matthew, that fucking rooster,
He's on the cross like, damn, this nigga's a wild snitch. Damn.
rat.
Fucking rat. Fucking rat. Yo, somebody throw some cheese. I can't move my hands.
Oh, man. How are they informative and blasphemous? Listen, that's the brand, baby.
You know what I'm saying?
We're problematic.
A lot of people probably didn't even know that story, and we put y'all on, so you're
put you
welcome.
onto it.
Cornballs, if you didn't study theology.
If you didn't study theology,
You know what I mean?
Did you see that lady that beat the shit out of her kid for she couldn't get the Bible verses right, so the mother just was banging her head against the wall?
I mean, it's a little extra.
I mean, sometimes you gotta do that. You gotta do.
You know what I'm saying?
You gotta listen. You gotta indoctrinate your children early into whatever religion you're in, so they don't think for themselves and move on.
That's true.
It's the best way to keep it going.
Also, yo,
So that doesn't get weird at the holidays because the
Yeah.
family's all the same religion,
Everybody's
and we just
chilling.
always does the same thing.
Yeah.
No one's coming in like, yo, I'm not buying gifts this year. Yo, I'm doing Seder or some wild shit like
Yeah,
that.
some
Now,
extra shit.
you gotta explain it. No, we were born Seventh-day Adventists. We died Seventh-day Adventists.
Yo,
You know what I
I'm
mean?
glad that niggas getting a little more money now because I have to do Christmas and Hanukkah. You know what I'm saying? So now there's a lot of money being spent. So we gotta, you know what I'm saying? Let's get this bread. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do this Alpo Jesus shit.
Yeah, I mean, my kid will probably be here by January, so I'll probably have to do that too.
Niggas said by January.
I don't know how does
Wait,
it
what
work.
month is it? I'm mad. I'm smacked. I'm like,
I
yo,
don't
that's
know.
like 2 months from now, B.
Smack City,
Yeah.
the Smack City calendar.
Oh god.
Oh, but listen,
Are you listen? If you ideally, would you want a male child or a female child? A masculine child
neither.
or a feminine child?
neither.
You want an ambiguous, an androgynous child?
I want a non-binary conforming. No, I don't have any preference.
Okay.
I don't want a child. So that's
So you're just
that's
doing
my
it-
preference. Nah, I'm good for now. I'm chilling. Listen,
Yeah.
niggas getting money. We doing things out
Yeah,
here.
yeah,
you know
yeah.
what
Get
I
your
mean?
bread up. I'll send you pictures of my kids doing shit. You can live vicariously
Exactly.
through
I
me.
got
We good.
I
We
got
good.
I got the Instagram,
We're
dog.
good. We're good.
You don't got to bring that here.
You know what I'm saying?
Because kids do shit like this. Come look at your
What is
man.
this?
Your man, young Pepe here. There's a new alarming trend where kids
Are those Air
climbing,
Maxes?
kids are climbing on shit like 2 stories up and then jumping down.
Like Shorty that jumped over the fucking top of her
Yes.
crib. Fucking idiots.
So here's a video. This is another one of our live reactions.
This
Mero
guy's
has
a
not
wig.
seen this yet.
This guy's a fucking weird. Are those Air Maxes on for real?
He's in a school hallway. It's a young,
Automatically you're an idiot. Everything in the school is made out of concrete and cinder blocks.
young Latino boy.
And that's definitely USPA.
USPA. That's how you know. That's how you know this is a bad decision.
Yeah, your decision making skills are not up to par.
His non-friend over here leaning over the bar.
Like, yo, go ahead, my nigga, get it. Do it.
He's hesitating because he knows.
He knows.
Teacher's like, nah.
Teacher's like, yo, chill.
Teacher's like, nah, don't. He's like, nah, this is my moment.
Oh, he fucking broke his leg. Oh my god. Oh shit. Yo, what a fucking idiot. Yo. Nah. Damn. No, nigga. No.
And that's why kids are terrible. Let's watch it one more time. I was like, we can't show this on the show. But I was like, we definitely show this on the podcast.
Oh my god.
How painful is this to watch?
Yo, fam, not like 'cause this shit definitely breaks as soon as he hits the ground.
Yo, you know right away. You getting in on this, Hasan?
Yo. Chill. Bruh. No, don't do it. I'm watching like it's a choose your own adventure.
Like here's a different reaction.
Yeah.
There's the moment of truth right here. Yo. And that's hopefully this is not a thing. Do not do the second story challenge.
Yo, first of all, none of these have ended well. Why do y'all keep doing these if they all end in wild personal injury?
I think people should be like, yo, I can survive it. That's what they're trying to be like, yo, I can survive this jump. Because when you're young, you don't realize the limitations of the human body.
Right.
Like, you're like, I can land on this. This is fine. And his ankle was like, no.
Nah.
Damn.
Oh, baby, what you doing?
Oh, no. I'm bobbing. Wobble.
Yo,
and then
this
she tried
shit.
to watch that.
Oh, man.
You're like shaking your head.
Oh.
You are visibly, because you have children, and you work in a school.
And you know what's the fucked up thing? Aside from the fact that your man just shattered his fucking tibia, whatever fucking bone that is, Shorty is gonna get in trouble for that. The teacher is gonna get in trouble for that, regardless of the fact that she was like, "Yo, Julio, stop! Do not jump off the second story. Stop right now." He did it. She was there, so she's gonna eat that. See, yo, teachers,
Second story
shout out to all my
challenge.
teachers out there, man. Y'all really doing a lot.
Oh, man.
Second
I
story.
don't even want to retweet that.
Is that a hashtag? Is it a second story challenge?
No, we're giving it a name now. Listen, we are no
should be
longer
my-
consumers of content.
We're
We
creators.
drive, we create.
You know what I'm
We
saying?
say we shift the paradigm. So we're calling this a second story challenge before everyone else picks up on it.
That's right.
So you see those videos of kids jumping off of ledges and stuff. That's what it's called.
Yeah, we
second
invented
story
it.
challenge. We invented that.
That's right.
Hashtag trade that.
Yeah.
Don't use it. If you're using a BuzzFeed article, we find out we're gonna jump you and stuff our pockets with all the delicious snacks.
all
them.
the froyo.
And then we're gonna try to figure out those weird elevators you got that are very efficient. Shout out to BuzzFeed.
Super efficient.
Super efficient.
Yo, damn, that's so stupid. Kids are so stupid, bruh. I feel like showing my kids that and being like, yo, please don't ever be this stupid. I know that you're gonna be stupid at some point because you're a kid, but don't be this stupid, my G. That niggas gotta call me at work like, yo, your son just jumped off a fucking second story, broke his leg like an idiot. Leave me at the hospital.
Pins and shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Rehab.
Fucking clown. You fucked up your whole little league season, you dickhead.
When I used to live at 4687 Park Avenue, we lived on the second floor, and on the first floor there was a ledge like that. It was a quite that was easily like you'd hurt yourself if you did that jump. And I was like, I got this. And my sister was like, no, do not jump there. Do not jump down. You're gonna hurt yourself. And I was like, chill. I got precautions. I got an umbrella.
Bro!
I was about to go.
And Mary Poppins it?
My father saw me.
Yo, yes.
I got beat with the umbrella. You know what? I learned a lesson.
Yo, nigga forecasted a
was for the best.
chance of rain.
It was one of those things where you're so outraged at what your kid do. You come in and you show it to your mate. Like, yo, can you believe
what this fucking
this
asshole
one right
did?
here?
You know what I'm saying? Wow.
I was like, nah, this umbrella got me. There was like, there was a 6-story building, and sometimes my father would work on the roof. Yeah. And as a kid, like the roof had no barricades or anything on the roof. It was just like
flat.
A straight edge, because
Like-
that's how the
like
Bronx.
the earth.
Yeah. And sometimes I'd be up there and I'd like stare at the edge, and I'd be like, jump. And I'd be like, what? Like I'd get real close. And I'd be like, I should just jump.
Yo, but fucking, Vic's not even here, but didn't he tell us that was like a natural human?
Your body does that. Or
tests
sometimes
you.
like you'll be on the subway and you'll be like, I should push this person.
Yeah.
Is your body being like, yo,
Don't.
you wouldn't.
I'm going to put this idea in your head so that you could tell yourself not to do
it because you're a good.
Yeah.
But I was like, yeah, I'm gonna push that. Fuck it. I push people on the train all the time. I don't push people onto the tracks. Like I suddenly nudge them as we're getting on, and in my head, I feel like the same
an actual
thing.
train car.
Yeah, I could have killed you,
but I pushed you into a seat instead.
Sorry. Last night, shout out to the young man. I have to big myself up.
Big up yourself.
I went to the store to get a chopped cheese sandwich, as is the custom.
Big up.
I still live in the Bronx. I'm hungry.
Pepper jack cheese?
Pepper jack cheese, all that good shit.
Good.
And I had to refill my Metro card because I thought we was going to come in and use the train, but I forgot we was getting caught. But long story short, went to refill my Metro card, and I saw a young man standing in front of the turnstile. And he was just like looking around and shit.
Ready to hop it?
Ready to hop. And I was like, yo, you need a swipe? And he was like, yeah. And I was like, yeah, go ahead. And he looked at me. He didn't want to go through. He thought it was like a trap. I was like, no, go through, man.
Fuck, man,
He was like, yo, thanks, man.
Yeah.
Like he genuinely was confused. I was like, yo, pay it forward. They call that swipe it forward. Some Supposedly now, like if you have money on your Metro card, you should just swipe people through so they don't get like a fare evasion charge.
Oh, true. Yeah.
Because the study came out that said that's what the cops are doing more than any other crime.
Yeah.
Like arresting people for fare evasion, which gets you in the system.
Yep.
So
TOS. They call it TOS, theft of service.
Theft of service.
They bag you up. I had to
run your
snatch me up.
fingerprints.
Yeah. I was already in the system, but like I got back for that one time because I got on the back of the bus at Burnside and like went to the front. I was gonna pay with the Metro and shit, but I was like, yo, if the bus driver don't say shit, I'm gonna just rock. So I sat down, started going through my shit, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Had the Metro, but it's just like, bro, when the line at the front of the bus is dumb long, I'm getting on the back. I don't give a fuck. So I get on. I start to kind of walk to the front. Cops rush the bus. Boom, snatch me up. Pull me off the bus. Throw me up against the fucking like the roll down gate of shout out to Aiden Grocery on Burnside, and fucking I'm like, yo,
Groceries.
like what the fuck are you doing, asshole? I was like, yo, I was walking to the front of the bus to pay the Metro. They were like, no, you weren't, you fucking piece of shit. And he starts radioing this shit, and yo, we got a TOS over here, blah blah blah. Well, just fuck my whole shit up, man.
You deserve that. Did you have cornrows at the time?
I did, and bottoms.
See, look at you,
and bottom
piece
fronts.
of shit, piece of garbage.
That was my look for like a solid 8 years. Was cornrows in some fashion and bottom grills.
It's terrifying.
You know what I'm saying?
It's terrifying.
Yeah, I was living a foul lifestyle then.
You was living a foul life? What was the foulest you ever been living?
I went to my man Pun's crib, you know what I'm saying, and not Big Pun.
You should have just said Pun.
Yeah, shout out to
nobody would have fact checked that.
I went to my man Pun's crib, and we watched Underworld while we smoked dust in a basement, and there was the house was abandoned, so there was no heat, no nothing. And it was just like 8 niggas smoking dust, and there was a mattress on the floor in that room, and smoked wild dust with them, watch Underworld. Niggas all bounced, and just I passed out on like a random mattress on a random floor in a random basement in Queens.
Damn.
And woke up the next day like, I checked my Nextel. Shorty was bleeping me and shit. I went over there, then like literally no shower, no toothbrush, straight dirty macking. Went to Shorty's crib, blew her back. She hit me up like a week later, like, yo, you burned me. And it was because I gave her UTI because my hands were so filthy from riding the subway up and down like a scumbag and not washing them, that when I fingered her, I gave her the wild UTI.
Wow. Okay.
Straight scum.
Okay.
Straight scum. I'm years removed from that. Though.
I hope so.
I am years removed from that type of behavior.
So. I don't want you to.
I don't
like,
do anything like that
he's
anymore.
Like that was 2012.
I have nothing like that, even semi recently. I feel like the most scumbag thing I do now is steal shit. Like, but it's like I don't even feel bad stealing shit from like a big corporate. Like I don't feel bad stealing some shit from Bed Bath and Beyond. Like I don't feel bad stealing some shit from Target.
There's someone like that works on a show that's stealing money from your account, and they say the same thing.
I mean,
they're like, yeah, I'm so bad. He got money.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to y'all.
Nah, what do you steal from Bed? Were you out here stealing shit?
I don't know. Like,
nigga, if you get locked up on some petty shoplifting charge, and we can't do the show,
and then you know, be fucked up. You know, the fucked up part is you know me, so I wouldn't just be like, oh shit, my bad, y'all got me. I'd be like, no, fuck that, and it would turn into some Cat Williams shit. I had them duffing out a cashier,
Mero.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, like
then I'm the A block.
Mero got on thermals, and like he got a fucking basketball shorts that he lost his string to, so they're falling down. He got on Nike slides. He's at the fucking Target. This nigga trying to shoplift like syrup for some reason because he's trying to make fucking pancakes. He's squaring up with the don't touch me.
Yo, son, you're not a fucking cop.
Come
here.
Don't
fucking touch
me. Just, Kid Mero, just don't need to make a scene. Just come here to the back room.
Let me talk to you, man.
Just come to the
back. That's it.
Just come over here. Go, Kid Mero, just come over here.
No.
Just come here.
Yo, no. Listen.
You come here.
Yo, fam.
You come here. Stop making a scene. You're making it hot.
You making a scene, though.
Come here.
You making a scene.
Yo, why you getting loud?
I ain't even trying to. Nah, because you getting loud. Because I just had the shit in my car, my nigga. I wasn't gonna steal it. I was walking out. I forgot.
Yo, sir.
Now you trying to play me? I'm on TV. Why would I have to even steal syrup?
You doing this in front of your kids? Just come over here.
Yo, chill.
Grab him. Grab him. Grab him.
Yo, chill. Yo,
get that nigga.
Nah,
get that nigga.
Fuck y'all.
This guy getting fucking. There's a video of you getting hit with a taser, just dropping it. I'm like, oh fuck.
Yo, I just leave my kids in the store and shit. Like, yo.
I'm at some random chick's house and shit. I turn on my phone. I see like mad memes of you getting tased to different music. I'm like, not today. I will deal with that on Monday. Just mad emails like from Vice Communications, like how to get in front of this.
Oh man,
this
is a good thing. We can make this. We can turn this around. We can spin this.
They push up some wild old tweet you got from 09, like, yo, only punks get tased at Target. I'm like, oh god,
damn.
It's like, damn, Mero.
Yo,
we gotta play the race card and shit. I was like, no, because it was the Jersey Target. You know what I'm saying? He was racially motivated. Profiling.
That was racially motivated.
Turns out the person that stopped you was also Latino, Dominican. He's a big fan.
It's like my cousin and shit. He's like, yo, Poppy, I'm sorry, but I just got this job. I'm trying to get fired, my nigga. You feel me? So
Brand
like,
is strong, but my bank account's not so much.
You know, I get paid Friday. I only did like 20 hours this week. Yo, nah, it's not going down like that. I can't. I mean, what's the most scumbag thing you've done recently?
Recently,
or ever?
I
feel like we gave. I did ever and recently. So
there's active investigations going on, so I can't speak on the matter right now. So I would like to be removed from this narrative. I don't even know. You know what the thing is, like, what most people would consider scumbag, I consider light work for a Wednesday. So,
regular.
You know, that's just the life I live. Yeah. I just be out here, you know, just living my best life, just enjoying the ride.
Yeah, hey.
That's all you can do, you know. Every day I just stay prayed up. You know what I'm saying?
That's right.
Just,
That's it, bro.
Get my knees dirty, praying to the Lord,
That's
just
all.
thanking Him for,
That's all
every
we can
day
do.
just opening my eyes, just getting money, just, trying the best.
Hey, listen, every day is a blessing.
Every day is a blessing.
You know? And
every day you're not taking a dirt nap, give the Lord thanks.
You woke up today.
You woke up today like this.
Yes.
Okay?
So,
flawless.
You know?
Made in the eyes of our Creator.
Appreciate that.
My Beyonce / megachurch. Yeah, wait for it. Wait till you have to come to the ministry of the Hive. And as Beyonce said, I'm drunk in love. She said, this liquor. Something. Surfboard. And we must all surfboard over our sins. Yes. Surfboard over Satan. Surfboard. You know what I'm saying? Eat the watermelon of salvation. Oh, we doing? I don't like this no more. We doing tongues and shit there. We're gonna have like snake handling. Yeah. We're gonna do the full mega church.
All that shit.
You know what I'm saying? We're gonna have all the women.
You touch a motherfucking forehead, they collapse.
Like, ah! But they go to the single ladies routine like.
I don't think y'all are ready for this journey.
Oh, preach on it, Brother Mero. Preach on it, Brother Mero.
I need a soldier that's gonna stand up for me.
Everyone in the church is gonna be like, how'd they get a Michelle Williams impersonator? Like, that's really her.
That's really her.
She's not getting paid to be here.
Damn.
She just came here for the free meals.
She look crazy.
She gonna tweet at me. Look at my bank account though, nigga.
Fucking stupid. She's getting paid.
She getting paid. She doing that. Listen, you gotta get into that gospel money. I gotta get into the gospel money. You gotta get into the dad shit. Yeah. So there you go. Me and Jessica Alba are working on a blog for you. Let your wife be the new Jessica Alba. She's less problematic.
I keep telling her.
You know what I'm saying? Let a couple of skin flicks. Tasteful.
Keep telling her.
You know what I'm saying? Like one of her like carrying groceries from the car.
True.
But it's like covering everything, but you can just see her belly. Like she's clearly naked, but like a bush and like the shopping bags cover everything.
They're like, oh.
Yeah, it's like, and everyone's
spicy
like,
photos.
Everyone's
revealed.
like, who's this provocative yet real mother? She's like, real moms. I don't know.
Real moms. Josh, I have the breastfeeding. And people that shame breastfeeding, don't shame breastfeeding.
Do you ever put a little in your coffee? Start the day a little freaky?
Titty milk is good.
You ever put a little on your ice cream?
Titty milk.
What you got to do is freeze a little on the ice cream and then use a blowtorch and caramelize it.
I'm not gonna front. I don't know if y'all have done this out there, but a lot of times, I don't know if your sister may have done this as well. You pump and then you freeze.
Pump it
up, and then you freeze. You know what I'm saying? The milk for the baby later on. I stayed home with Adrian the first year. You know what I'm saying? So I got mad, and I don't lactate, so I got mad milk in the freezer. I tasted it.
Why don't you? No, what do you mean you don't lactate? Do you not lactate because as a man your masculinity is so fragile you don't allow yourself to masculine?
I mean, I wish I could. You know what I'm saying? It would have made life easier.
You can
but
lactate.
You know what I'm saying? I can't.
You can.
Can men lactate? Google it.
You can.
If it would have been, he would be like, absolutely not.
You can. You can lactate.
Yeah.
All male and female mammals have mammary glands.
Oh yeah, but you can't lactate. Men don't have the actual gland that produces the milk.
It's more likely in human men than in most mammals. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you really want to, if you really love your wife, you have to teach yourself how to lactate. That's the honorable male thing to do now. Help with the breastfeeding.
I don't want titties though.
Yeah, you don't need to get titties.
I like to look at titties. I don't like to have titties.
But think about it, if you have like titties and now you sit alone in your weed room.
Start playing with the titties. Yo,
shit lit.
Wasn't there a guy that was like, yo, I think it was like a Howard Stern, and Howard Stern was like, yo, I'll dare you to get breast implants, and I'll pay for it. See? And he did it. Shout out to the homie that got the breast implants.
Yeah, listen, get some.
Let's do that shit. Let's do that shit on some fashion shit. Let's get fake titties.
Fake titties for summer. For summer La Marina. Nah, cause you know what? I can't. Listen,
you get the wild hairy titties.
I'm gonna have the wild G cups and shit. Looking wild thotty at La Marina with the wild deep V.
Yo. son.
Just making
Oh, they
people
do,
wild
like,
and
the titty
comfortable
bouncing
shit. Like,
dance and shit, yeah.
Oh, I spilled my drink.
Oh my god.
Oh. bounce.
Yeah. We coming for y'all.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Because then you know what happens, and I'm like, yo, if I got the titties, I can't come out here without the yeeks.
Yeah, that's true.
I got the wild.
You gotta get the cheeks
Gotta
too.
get the cheeks and shit.
Then we just start hosting and battle waitressing at the same time.
People just really could, but we don't change any of our personalities and shit.
Like, yo, what's really good, my nigga?
What's up, niggas?
Yeah.
What up, nigga?
Yo, pull up to the motherfucking bar,
Yo,
get
stop
your drinks
touching
from
my
us.
butt, nigga. What the fuck?
Yo, touch my ass again, my nigga. Word
wrong with
is
y'all
born. I
niggas,
will
man?
fucking air this shit out right now.
I'm doing like the wild, weird Instagram posts and shit. Like, getting a chopped cheese, y'all.
Yo.
You can just see like kind of
High angle.
You see my dog and shit coming out my dickies.
Yo, I'm like finally home. And it's just maybe like with the cheeks up in bed and shit, like eating Snickers. Yo. Oh, God.
I'm like, art just dropped, and it's just like the art emoji on my titties.
Yo.
Listen,
Titties and ass are too much commitment, though. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of, it's like,
it's full time.
yeah. Because we don't got titties and ass, so it's like we don't got to worry about it.
Yeah.
It's another thing to worry about. You got to worry about what kind of shirts you could wear.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like what kind of pants you could wear.
Shout out to curvy chicks. Nothing
You know what I'm
sadder
saying?
than like you with a curvy chick and like she put on her jeans and they rip.
Oh,
and you're like, damn.
Or she puts them on and she's mad happy, but then when she gets to the top, because the waist to cheeks ratio is so ill that she got the wild gap.
You can't put it.
Yeah,
You know?
she's like, yo.
And you be like, yo, cause you dick down there. She's like, I'm just trying to go to the store.
Yeah.
Just trying to live my
Yeah,
life.
I'm like, yo.
I was walking with a shorty the other day, and niggas was not even like looking at me. Niggas was looking right past me. Like,
yeah. It's like Jay-Z.
so disrespectfully.
Yeah.
Like,
That's what
niggas,
it is.
Some of the niggas was like trying to, like, they was about to shoot their shot. Like, I was
Savage.
not there. I was like, I can do what you want to do.
They're savages.
I was like, nigga,
You can do what you want, but hey.
do what you want to do. I ain't gonna fight you. I'll be like, that's rude. Excuse me. Excuse me. I was walking with her.
Yeah, that's why you don't even beef, because it's like, yo, I know in like about 20 minutes I'm gonna be in the wild toppy session, so don't even matter.
Sloppy toppy.
You know what I'm saying? So you can say what you want,
Provided by
dog.
Ground Rounds.
You know what I mean? You're welcome. It's like when they put the car in the middle of the mall. Like, look at that shit. Go ahead, nigga. You can't ride the shit, though.
Can't be. I don't get that reference.
You know what I'm saying?
Look at you using the Jersey references already.
Come on,
Switching
yeah,
up on niggas.
they got the shit. They got the mall in the fucking Bay Plaza. It's the same
Nigga, I
shit.
go to Bay Plaza.
Where do you shop?
Where do I shop?
Where do you shop?
I go to.
Do you shop on exclusively online retailers?
I'm not saying where I shop because I have a security clearance problem. It's an opposite problem. No,
Rich
where
Hill's
do I
lit, though.
shop?
Rich Hill's lit.
Rich Hill's good. I don't like malls. I hate malls.
malls?
I shop online and shit.
I don't know.
like
They're
that.
so soothing to me. I don't know why.
What's wrong with you? You're so weird. We're True Detective season 1. We're
Yeah.
like.
Yeah, I'm just like you're calling me. You're like in a dark room, fucking drinking a Bex, and I'm like walking through the mall, like pacing, like
Yeah,
I got it.
I'm like, yeah. I got no furniture. I just got just mad maps and shit. I'm just like, yo. I'm like, I'll call you 5 years from now. I'm like, Mero, I figured out the Scantron problem.
I just dropped my phone in the middle of the mall.
Don't call me this anymore. Mero, you owe me this one. We owe it to the school boards.
They just cut to me and shit, smoking an L in the fucking El Camino, driving to your crib and shit like.
I'm sitting there low in the passenger seat. You're like, yo, you still see things? I'm like, yeah. Mero, you still hear that noise? That
Always.
noise of when the cheeks open.
It haunts me. Yo, HBO, stop fucking playing, man.
We're
Holla
doing
at
True
us, man.
Detective season 3.
3.
We're gonna start
Because y'all fucked up season 2. I'm sorry. Season 1 was fuego. Season 2 was
Yeah,
You
I just
gotta-
saw season 1. I watched it. I binge watched. It was that good.
Yeah.
I'm slipping on. I'm trying to get caught up. There's a lot of stuff to consume and a lot. It's hard.
a lot of media. A lot of media.
I meet people all the time. They're like, "Yo, I just found out about Desus and Mero. I gotta get caught up." I'm like, "Nigga, there's 70 shows. Like,
Good luck.
Good luck." But you know what? I've never had a show that I've enjoyed that much that I'm like, yo, I'll sit here and watch 70 shows. But people enjoy the show enough. So shout out Desus and Mero Monday, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays.
You know what I'm
Vice
Vice,
End.
man. Oh,
Doing
yeah,
very
Vice,
well
man.
with the numbers. Can't
Yeah.
say the numbers, but the numbers is brolic. The band is brolic.
By the way,
Speak on it.
Cooks get Bayless again.
Again.
Cooks get Bayless again.
Again.
Thought y'all was wondering. But
Oh.
the numbers, well, just in case you're wondering, because they try to be backhanded and be like, yo, well, they lost 2 days in a row, but guess what? We back.
Back, baby. You know what I'm saying? Don't ask the
saying?
questions. Ask who was at the upfronts with A&E's president. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
He was out there.
Shout out to young Dubuque. You know what I'm saying?
Out there in the building.
You know what I'm
Young
saying?
KPI was in the building.
That's right.
He was getting all the stats.
You know what I mean?
Selling all the ad revenue. You
Shout
say
out to
we're
Pete
out here.
Olsen, you know what I mean?
We do things that was impressive to us 2 years ago. Now it's a regular Thursday.
You know what I mean?
Listen to us talk that talk.
Regular shit.
Say, breaking the game like that kid broke his ankle.
You know what I'm saying? Oh my
Ooh.
god, fucking disgusting. That
back
wasn't
in
even his
my-
ankle too. It was like it was like higher up.
Yeah.
It was like shin.
Imagine you get that call, like, yo, like you gonna be mad at your kid, but your kid's in pain, and then you think about like insurance.
I would just look at him like, yo, I'm gonna enjoy the first 30 seconds of seeing him in pain. I'm like, yo, you are a dick, my nigga. I had to leave work to come here because you did some stupid shit when you should have been in class reading fucking The Merchant of Venice. You fucking little clown. You know what I'm saying? But then it's like your parental, you know what I'm saying, your parental instincts kick in and you're like, yo, I gotta get your bitch ass to the hospital.
Damn.
And get fucking pins in your leg. Goodbye fucking scholarship, you know what I'm saying?
Goodbye
Whatever.
soccer career.
You know what I mean?
Goodbye NBA.
Fucking wing.
Damn. Life.
Life. Did you see that movie? I haven't seen that movie in mad long.
I was actually about to sing that same song, and then I decided not to, and you sung it. That was weird. That's weird. It's like
rain on your wedding day. It's a rerun when you're already paid. What is Alanis Morissette doing right now? You looked at me like you were surprised that I knew that song.
No, everyone knows that song.
Pop culture.
Everyone knows that. It's a pop culture wash song.
It is.
That song is like 40 years old.
I definitely got toppy though to the other shit, her other joint.
Not. You ought to know.
Yeah. And I'm here to remind
Was she
you.
to get a blowjob in the theater? That part?
Yes.
So you heard that part? Was like, I have to do this for real?
Yeah, toppy.
Damn,
I get toppy in the theater. I got toppy in my grandma's house because she was like mad, like not as mobile. So
Was she there? Was she like seen out in the corner like?
No, she wasn't sitting out. She was chilling. She was watching Price is Right in the living room.
Oh.
And my cousin was there. And my cousin invited her homegirl over. Her homegirl gave me the wild sloppy toppy while my grandma was watching Price is Right.
We need a show, and it's just like you, and you have like a pipe. And like with a smoking jacket, and you just, in front of a big library. We just revisit places where you got toppy. And we just have an expert. And like, yes, expert. Tell us what you. We bring on those ghost hunters, and we get like beta readings of the thing. We're just like, yeah, you can still see memories of the toppy.
Yeah, the brain scans and shit.
You just see like semen floating in the air and shit. Like the ghost of the net.
Oh my god, it's incredible.
Oh my god, look at the meters. The toppy meters are off the chart. Off the top.
Look at them. Can you get the camera on this?
Oh my god.
It's incredible.
I've never felt toppy meeting. I have not felt toppy levels like this.
These are incredible.
Whoa, I'm getting Collins Avenue vibes.
We're getting all this on film.
You're sure this is where you had toppy?
Yeah.
This park?
Yeah. Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
I'm getting scared. Turn the cameras off.
Turn them off.
Turn them off.
It's too much. It's too spiritual.
Show me crying in the van like... It was too strong. It was too strong. I know my powers, and there was a dark force coming through. I felt that the toppy levels were just, it was scary. It's just scary.
Yeah, it's fair. No, it's too much. Yeah, there's a lot of shit. Oh, March Madness. You know what I'm saying?
The only March Madness we respect is futures.
That's true. There's been a couple games. West Virginia had a horrible
March Madness only
last
counts
possession.
if Manhattan College is in it.
That's true. Or like any New York area school, like St. John's, Manhattan College, South the Cuse.
All right.
There's a couple schools that people got hyped for.
You know, it's because we got so much going on in New York. We got the New York Knicks.
Yeah.
Go New York, go New York, go.
Hey, go New York,
Which,
go New York.
as much as I slandered them, I was up late watching them, even though they lost. But
it's okay.
they got washed yesterday.
They did. And you know what it is? It's on purpose. The tank is in full effect. We're trying to get this draft pick. They already even told Melo, like, yo, we're going to reduce your minutes. You know what I'm saying? Because we want to keep you fresh. They want to keep him fresh.
What I love, they were like, yo, we definitely sticking with the triangle. And it's like,
Nah,
that's some West Indian wedding shit. Like, yo, the shit's clearly not working out, but we're staying together for the sake of it. So fuck that.
But
fuck
then
that. Go buy two twin beds.
You sure? You think you're going to leave, man?
No. Every night we will end with a sensible handshake. You go downstairs, I'm up here.
Please remain in your own space.
Those are my linens. Like one's reading a book, the other one's playing like the music very softly. It's like
With the broom.
turn it down.
Stop banging on the dumb furnace.
You get two warnings with the knock, and then the person actually gets up like, are you mad? It's 11 o'clock.
Yeah. Oh my god. But yeah, no.
It's gonna be me and Rihanna. Rihanna got the wild hair curlers and shit.
Oh man.
For her roller bag that she does every night and shit. That she does.
She be smoking weed in the kitchen and shit. You be getting tight. Like, yo, why you gotta smoke weed in the kitchen?
No. What you doing? She's like laying out outfits and shit.
Yeah.
Taking over my closet. I'm like, Robin. What you do?
Yeah. Oh god.
I can't even. I come in. She got a big piece of mackerel soaking in a bowl in the sink. I'm like, oh, we have mackerel tomorrow.
Oh, nice.
Like, yes, you're welcome.
She's making little tamarind balls and shit. Like,
I'm like, oh, are the children coming? You don't know. Maybe your kids, the mess up ones.
yo, shut the reality, yo.
I'm gonna be.
Just make that happen. Stop
It's
playing.
gonna happen.
Stop playing.
Just stop
bro.
fighting it. Listen,
Yo,
I'm about to
perfect.
be popping. I'm gonna have a 3-bedroom house.
It's perfect.
In northern Bronx, and we're gonna have 2 tenants.
That's it.
We're gonna be getting at least $1,000 a month in income, Mom.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? We're gonna give them a fake thermostat so they can't really control the heat.
Yeah, but
we'll
they
be
think
mad
they do.
stingy with
Yeah.
it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. They said they fake thermostat there. That's an ill landlord move. Yeah.
Just empty, just spinning the dials. They're like, I have it at 100 and it's still coded here. I'm like,
Shout out to my pops for doing
maybe
that.
it's Celsius.
Shout out to my pops for doing that, not even trying to hide it. Like just cutting the wires, still leaving the shit right there. Like, yeah, fuck it.
Well, my pops, before he moved to Florida, he decided he was just gonna like live in the basement and not like fuck with the rest of us. So he installed a secondary thermostat so he could control it without having to come upstairs.
Oh,
So I
dual
was like-
zone.
But the problem was he programmed it incorrectly. So they would cancel each other. They kept tripping each other. So one would turn on, the other one would turn it off. And so we had like no heat for 2 weeks because they couldn't figure out what was
Right,
wrong.
what's
He
wrong
was
with
like,
this
it's not what I did.
It's Con Ed.
It's Con Ed. Con Ed acting up.
Like, Con Ed
That's why
come
they
over
call
there
it Con
like-
Ed. Con Ed's like, yo, who the fuck programmed this shit?
My man.
You know you fucked up without a Con Ed. This man looks at the wiring, takes out his phone, and takes a picture, and like sends a text
So
to
text it?
sticker in like, nigga.
Yo,
Look
woo.
at this shit.
What the fuck is this?
Yo, you
my
mind
guy?
if I post this on Reddit?
Is this a ball of yarn?
This nigga, did you connect this shit with aluminum foil? Yo, I gotta call the base on this shit. You just standing there making mad excuses and shit. They came to fix the boiler and the switch is installed upside down. My father installed it upside down. He's like, I installed it my way. I was like, that's
Okay.
not how it works.
All right.
So every time people come to repair it, they're like, your boiler switch is installed upside down. Yeah, we could fix that for you. I was like, nigga, if you don't leave that alone, just leave it alone. Like,
Yo, the water heater guy, water heater went in the crib before, like after my pops bounced at the yard or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
He had it on like, there was just this one lever. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
For everything. The water heater guy's 3 floors though. So the water heater guy comes through and he makes 3 levers because it's like, yo, this is the first, second, third floor.
yeah.
Pops came back. He's like, what
Tight,
the fuck is this?
tight,
What the fuck is this? Why you got
did
yo?
this?
Who did this?
Who
You
did
let
this?
them do this? I was like, what do you mean? He's like,
I
yo,
did it my way. I had I have a system.
Bruh. I was like,
what?
yo, I'm like, my nigga, you serious?
My father did the same thing
Start
with the
tearing
water
the shit
heater.
apart, like, yo,
Yo.
and put that shit right back to one lever the way it's supposed to be.
No, when my water heater went, the guy that came to fix it was like, yo, I'll take care of this. Like, I'm gonna do a divide. I'm gonna hook it up and shit. This is inefficient the way it's installed.
Yeah.
My father came back. He took off his hat, looking at it all puzzled. He was hurt. He was like, who did this? I'm like, what?
You
He's
paid
like,
for this?
Who changed it? I was like, nah, like the nigga from Home Depot, like he installed the shit. I mean, I don't, you know, I'm not the most handy person. I couldn't do it. He was like, when he gets mad, that's when he starts talking kind of like that. It's like, when I installed it, there was a reason I did a straight pipe. Which my friend. What's in your parent calls you their friend?
Yeah.
You have fucked up.
Oh shit!
I was like, listen. I was like, I don't know what you want me to do. I don't really need hot water. I'll just rip the whole shit out. Like I'll just microwave some water. I just do not want this conversation and shit.
I'm good money.
And he was just sitting there puzzled and trying to find no excuse. It's actually more efficient now. So
Shout out to him.
sorry for you, man.
Yo, I mean,
Listen, you got a whole house in Florida to do wild shit. He has
yes, you got your own thing. Do
Get
it.
out there.
Yeah, go do it.
And if I get popping enough, I'm just gonna buy him mad old foreclosed property and just let him do whatever he wants.
Yeah,
to
yeah.
and shit.
Just keep
He
him
can
busy.
steal all the copper and shit.
It's like you're just giving your dog mad bones to chew on at the same time. Like,
Go
yo, here,
there.
go.
Just
Keep
call it
yourself
like,
busy.
yo,
Get out of here.
yeah, here, I got you a 6-bedroom condo and kissing me.
Yeah, yo,
I
look,
see you.
Yo, 6 bedrooms.
6 bedrooms, have fun.
It's a fixer upper.
It's a fixer upper.
Nigga starts doing a bit of Burberry
like,
hair. I'm like, yeah.
He's like,
Let's see how
yeah.
little I can spend to fix it up.
He's like, yeah, what if they had to pay every time they entered their apartment? They could do all types of new routine. Oh, there's a mattress tax. Oh, nah, you ain't check your lease. You're not allowed to bring groceries in here. You have to buy from the grocery store on campus.
Oh, no, you got to pay extra for that. No. He's in the grocery store on campus. Nigga runs down to the grocery store like, yo.
How can I help you? Welcome to the pit.
Ain't you fixing my toilet right now?
No. Yeah, we got ramen noodles for $10 a crate.
Oh, shit, where? Damn, I'll fuck up some ramen. I haven't had ramen noodles in mad long. Hollywood, Mero ass.
Hey, the ESPN assignment desk is following us on Bodega Boys. I don't know what that means. Probably because we're going there today.
Yeah. Shout out to Bristol.
Yeah. Showing the Bristol.
You know what I'm saying?
Coming to Bristol with the pistol.
You know what I'm
Shout
saying?
out to my nigga Aaron Rodriguez out here busting.
Whoa.
I mean, Aaron Hernandez.
Yo.
Yeah.
Son. Yeah, he's a wild boy.
Wild boy. That's how we come to Bristol today.
Oh, man.
Bees up. Got the gun out. Gonna be in the SUV. Just come. As soon as we get on the ESPN campus, I'm gonna let off one shot in the air. Let y'all niggas know. Boom! From the fucking Desert Eagle. Shake the whole suburban.
Yo.
Jamil is gonna be like, what was that?
Oh, my God.
Are we back in Detroit?
Oh, hey, it's wild.
Everybody in the 313.
Yo. Yeah.
Shout to y'all. Shout to the Sports Citizens. We can't. Well, that's not a diss. We're gonna be on the show. Relax.
Yeah,
y'all.
we lit.
Yes.
We'll be out there. Jamal's on the show too. So shout out to her. You know what I'm saying? All right, gang.
It's all good. It's all love. God, everyone loves us.
I'm still smacked.
Well, I'm
Been
so
like an
smacked.
hour.
You so smacked. I'll be getting smacked to the day that I crack. Anyway, this is episode 60.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? We talked about some things.
Shout out to Mixpack.
Shout out to Mixpack. Shout out to Narcan. Shout out to all the
You know what I'm saying?
sponsors.
Yeah.
Shout out to Red Bull.
Are we gonna read this?
No, don't read the stuff on air anymore. Remember?
Yeah,
that's
that's
the
right.
thing.
Yeah,
Can't do that
stop.
no more. Gotta respect the
Yo,
news agency.
yeah,
Shout out to all the
Respect the agency.
LBGTQ people. Shout out to all my left-handed people. Shout out to all the redheads. Shout out to all my people who put lots of beans and platinos in their meals and lost in the World
what I'm
Baseball
saying?
Classics.
I mean,
sorry y'all.
hey.
Can't win it all. You got the
saying?
fat butts though.
We-
So
we-
you know what I'm
we-
saying?
we still win.
You win in the grace of God and in the Geeks competition. So there you go. There you go.
Shout out to Sia though. Speaking of geeks.
You see, I got the yeeks. Who knew?
Yeah,
who knew? Is that butt plant? The
No.
butt implants? Or
I mean,
something?
I
I
hope
don't
not.
know. But shout out to her. Shout out to her with the. That's how she knew. She has a tweet about getting fucked in the butt. So
Ah,
You know?
go ahead, boo.
she out here. You know, she getting the she getting the rubber balloon knot opened,
Yo,
getting that. Pow.
yo, shout out to homies that sent over that stuff.
Yeah, we talked about that like weeks ago. Damn, you smacked as fuck. Let me end this for this
my
nigga
God.
kill himself. This nigga gonna go outside the room and do the second story challenge. He's like, yo, I saw this somewhere. I don't know where.
Yo, it's on Red Bull.
I saw this.
I seen it. I seen the dude jump off the satellite.
It's all right. I got a Red Bull. I'll be fine. I can survive the jump.
Yo, the dude that jumped off the satellite to do the second story challenge.
I
You know what I'm
mean,
saying?
he almost died. He had a lot of precautions and shit.
He's both for that.
All right. As always, it's your boy.
Yeah.
DJ Nice, aka DJ Vice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Box, aka Fat Bacteria, aka Cure Sass Sling, aka
right.
Eli Loopy, Gucci
right.
Gucci Gully, So Bad I Might Know You, Bitch,
Yeah.
Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando Durando, Man Over Santa Noventa, Quattro, Mikhail going off the Juve Boss, MC Look Good Cookie,
That's
Put
it.
up for 40 with the Shorty, aka Don't Talk to Me in the Uber Pool.
I don't know you at all.
I don't know you. Why don't you take a
We're
left?
total
Why you all in
strangers.
my space now? Don't talk
at
to me. And now, were you eating Indian food today? Why do you smell like curry? The original one plus one got a plus one. Don't make a fuss on. This Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. I would just like to point out that I think there's a smell of weed coming from the house that of the new Dominican people that moved in. I think, and he's smoking on the Pacquiao.
It's packed, so I mean, I'll allow it.
I'll allow it. Jermaine Avocado says, Young Pa, the ghost of Mufasa. They're gonna lock me in the vault in Disney and they have Walt Disney's head on ice. Young Charcuterie at the Cooterie, aka Tilly Lamone, the left-handed reliever for the Yankees, K-Lo-K. You know, Angie Martinez is my niece.
Oh, she's a nice girl.
Okay, I say Makuzaka, Two Phone Jones, Jesus H. Machina,
Yeah.
Tay Chuckles, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bond is labeled dilute. You can use me to wash your car, wash your cat, or remove
What?
paint.
Oh, okay.
It's whatever you want. Just dilute. Leonardo DiCaprio.
Yeah.
Mr. 240p because I like my Pinot blurry. And I like my Pinot stars to have retired and move on to things in their life that are wholesome, like raising families,
Yeah,
and then not
man.
running into them at Target. And I'll be like, yo, aren't you clear names? Yeah. DJ will like, hey, listen to Wash Stefan.
Up next, John Tesh live from Las Vegas.
But first, we got a number one hit by Evelyn Champagne King. The Curry Goat, DJ Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx Celine Dion,
Damn.
Red Nephew's nephew,
Yeah.
the Moreno you can't contain,
No.
the Human Meme, word of job. The Black Asiatic had to go crack your back like an automatic craft, Manny, Mr. La Marina, Mr. Marina, with a fresh Mr. Marina, cold demeanor, aka Proud of Manny. Wow!
Bitch. Yo,
Walk in on me
yo.
in your bathroom using your lady's Gillette to
Yeah.
shave my balls.
Yeah.
How you feel?
He's not even washing it out. Just put it right back on the rack. You
I'm
know what it is, man.
I'm using your Mac facials.
Yeah, all that. the foundations.
Using it to wipe my head after playing basketball. Get you tight.
Yo, we 60 episodes deep
60.
in your guts. You know what I'm saying? You know
60.
who it is. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, aka Human Direct Flap, aka Curve Gotti, aka Triz Khalif. Huh? You know what I'm saying? Aka Skirt Loader. You know what I'm saying? I know fucking baby, I fucking man. You know what I'm saying? Step into the club, check the motherfucking guest list again, because my name is definitely on it. You know what time it is. And no, I'm not stepping to the fucking side while you check. You know what I'm saying? It's the dad of the air. You know what I'm saying? Ben Smack be on both fields, the ass Tyson, the Dominican. Ben Boston, my hands are gifted. I will remove the brain of a hamster and replace it with that of a giraffe, making his neck 28% longer. And I run, hard, suck my dick from the back. I'll open your fucking medicine cabinet and I'll destroy your benzo population because I'm the Zen man.
What?
You know what
Yeesh.
I'm saying? Rico Sabroso, Tom Brazy. You know what I'm saying? The deflation levels of my balls is low. It's Baby Newport, you know what I'm saying? AKA the Blem de la Blem, you know what I'm saying? Sweat my cardigan, it's definitely money on it. I got direct deposit, stop playing. It's Neo Brown, East Street by Stevie B. The plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me high as fuck, I'm dreaming. The plantain supernova dreaming. Yo, the only nigga that ever dropped 60, and by 60 I mean pounds of bud. At the Garden, it's Barbelos and Butter.
For 3.
Swish! If you see me in Target, respect my agency. Approach me like an ursine mammal that's been acting like it might be rabid. You know what I'm saying? Llegó el hijo de Tito y FIFA. Papi, que malito, el más duro de todo lo duro. Bajando caro para 2017. Vamos a verlo por detrás. We out here, episode 60, nigga!
As always, shout out to Red Bull.
Yeah.
Shout out to Vice. Be sure to check us out. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday,
right.
Thursday, Friday. Desus and Mero, the critically acclaimed show.
That's right. Do
We talk
remember.
about everything. Do remember. We'll be back next week. And before we go, Mero, one last thing. We out.
It sounds like a cracker!
We out.